Canoe in a Tsunami, please.
All right, I'll go ahead with that. It is actually a pendant to Wildfire this time, because these are the two of the basic elements, apart from earth and sky, which I deal with in other poems, that reflect the climate catastrophe that's upon us. This one is concerned with water, quite obviously. Canoe in a Tsunami. 1. Seabirds and ocean fish have always known what philosophers struggle to embrace. The living world begins and ends in water. Lie on a beach and listen till you hear the stillness in the ocean's heart. Rehearse its secrets in the discourse of sand and tide. The singing sea is the mother of all, for every drop of water harbors the stuff and strategy for creating worlds. Gannets and terns, dolphins and shark teach poets to celebrate water, water everywhere. Thalassa, womb and tomb of all that lives. You and I too were born eons ago in and of the sea, in waves of living, and still we are more water than flesh and bones. The price for breaking water at birth is the burden of carrying the sea's promises into an uncertain future. 2. Why then is the face of the oceans ravaged by a progressive cancer known as cupiditas mortalis, a disease spread globally by Homo sapiens? First symptoms are delusions of grandeur, leading to acts of idiocy. Already the Great Pacific Garbage Patch churns millions of pieces of plastic trash across an area the size of Russia. Torrents of toxic waste and algal blooms are strangling the oceans, and rivers run with chemical sludge and poisonous waste. The fish are dying, tuna, sturgeon, skate, and hundreds more, some already extinct, while coral reefs are turning into deserts. With rains acidic and glaciers melting, soon there won't be enough clean water to sustain our blood, our sweat, or our tears. 3. When the sun sinks its gold beneath the waves, take note of the trail of blood all the way to the horizon, and hear the surf hiss at the rocky shore. Nature talks to us with gestures our five senses grasp only with a mind afloat in tranquility. There is space in the Pacific Ocean to drown all 5 continents, and the glaciers are poised to supply the extra water. A loon's shrill ululations welcome dawn across the misty lake, whose polished face quietly reflects the sky's changing moods. Stare at the dark clouds on the horizon. Watch the relentless approach of a rainstorm that may flush our options into history. Fragile as a canoe in a tsunami, we must face the iceberg of our ignorance and leave nature to correct our blunders.